In order to get Windows to look like you, more specifically Windows 8 to look like you, even more specifically the start screen to look like you, we're going to change an icon here. It's the weather icon. It's right down here. And if you notice, it says right now, Sydney. Guess what? That's the name of my old cockatoo, Sydney. It's not the name of the city that I live in. So wouldn't it be nice if I could look in here and instantly get the information about the weather I have outside of my office? Yes, it would. So we're going to click here, and that's going to take us into the weather app. We can see from this that the first thing that we need to do is say, hey, it is okay if you use my location information. This could be your friend. So we're going to go ahead and say allow. I really don't mind it doing that, but I do mind this. London, United Kingdom, I'm not there. You can probably tell from my accent. And it just says sample data. Now, we need to go through here and do some settings. And notice what it did right here. Right when we were talking, this is where I am. I'm not on a mobile PC, so it found magically where I am. How about that? And set my weather to be local by clicking on allow. You can see here, maybe you're jealous, maybe you're in the winter time and look at these temperatures. Yeah, it's nice, but try to be down here in the summertime. Not so keen on that. We're going to scroll here. We're going to scroll to the right and take a look at this. Hourly forecast. So if I want to know what to do at 2 o'clock, it's going to be nice out. Maybe I'll open the windows and air the house out. And we can scroll down here. We can see a whole forecast. Now, moving further to the right. Here we are. Look at all these different maps. Now, just in one location. This, my friends, is kind of the advantage that we have apps over applications or websites, that everything is in one place. We don't have to go fumbling around. We didn't even have to pick my city. Temperature, regional, Doppler radar, precipitation, satellite cloud cover, Doppler radar, all this information. You can see the regional, you can see the national, and then you can see some travel information out here. Further along, what is the weather like here in July? Well, take a look there. Not too pleasant. This gives us reason for this, where it's really nice and quite nice. And then we see the Office 365 in January, average high, average low, and all that different information right there. So, couple things here. One, if we right-click, it brings up more information about this weather app. You can change to Celsius. If you're like most of the world and you want to find out how warm or cold it is, it's right there. And then different places. You can put the different places in here that you might go. I travel to New York quite a bit. So let's do New York. Let's spell it right first. New York, United States. And then we can see all the information about New York. Now, watch this as we go back. We're going to close the app by dragging it down. And what we're going to see right there, it's weather where we are. So that is one small way to make the start screen more applicable to you in Windows 8.